going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, please consider subscribing. We do all kinds of videos, not really related to what I'm going to show in this video, but we do lots of side-by-side stuff, sledding, dirt biking, all that stuff. But anyways, for the regulars, sorry there hasn't been a video in a few weeks. I kind of been slacking there. I've been working on my truck a lot lately, actually, so I haven't been doing too much with the YXZ or with the Banshee, but it's coming. YXZ's running, and there'll be more on that soon for sure. But yeah, in this video we just went to a local spot. Well, it's actually a couple hours for me, local to JF. A local spot called Paradise Lagoon. It's pretty cool. We did a video where we went there last year, but I guess we were in the wrong spot. We weren't actually at the Paradise Lagoon. We were at a different section of it. So we went to the right spot this year on a quick side-by-side ride, and I got a little footage of that. And I think I got a bit of driving footage of this. I'll put it at the end. But yeah, check it out.
Do you think there's a spider in there, dude?
Probably, dude.
Can't go in.
No, sorry, bugs. Well, I think we found her anyway.
Yeah, I think so.
We went to the wrong place last year and everyone kind of called us out on that, but what's this called again? Paradise Lagoon or something? Paradise Lagoon. Yeah, this is pretty wild. Probably can't tell on video, and maybe not this section, but the water's like super clear. Pretty wild.
Blue.
Yeah, very nuts. And it runs downstream for a little bit. I'll walk over there and get a bit more, but yeah, check this out. This is pretty crazy.
That's a rock that everyone jumps off of up there.
Which one?
Up by the waterfall.
This one up here?
Yeah, that's the guy.
People jump off that?
People jump off that, yeah.
Yeah, right.
Not this guy.
Not this guy. Well, let's go farther down and take a look at the rest of it.
Yeah.
So here's a little bit farther downstream. We were just over there. Runs down here. Nice little spot there. Here's where you can see it's super clear. You can see bottom everywhere. Really nice. Then we got this big greasy waterfall here.
Big Bazoo waterfall.
Big Bazoo waterfall. And it runs downstream more. Crazy. Very clear down there too. I can see it from here almost. See the bottom. You can see it goes farther down there too. I don't think I can get over there, but really cool spot. Really cool spot.